Hey everybody, and welcome to what is the very first of the 1 to 64 model car openings and reviews. And straight up today, we're starting with two very special cars. It is from the All-In Tuning event. It is an event exclusive from All-In Tuning in Dongguan in China, and they are two limited edition RWB Porsches. And they have some very cool artwork, as you can see. So let's just jump straight into them. So here's the first of the two, which, as you can see, says A for All-In Tuning, and the second one has a T on top for the tuning. I'm not really sure why they didn't do an I. It would have been nice to have a third car. Nice things go in trios with these types of cars, but anyways, we've got two. And this one is the blue edition, and it says All-In Tuning on the side, and it's got a very cool looking box. It's made by ModernArt, and then there's a bit of writing there as well. So let's go ahead and open the car. As you can see, the box just opens upwards like this. And wow, we got a very nice presentation here in this box. It says ModernArt here, and we've got this very nice microfiber sort of cloth, and we fold that up, and actually the front kind of opens like this, and there you go. Wow, that is so cool. Very nice looking car. As you can see, it's got this nice graffiti style like painting on the side, and it's got a very cool like plaque. It's got a nice little thing like writing on the back in Chinese. I think it's Chinese. And then we've got this big All-In Tuning background behind the car as well. And let's actually get it out of this piece here. So we've got this clear cover, as typical with these types of cars. And then you can see that this background just comes away, and it's in this box separately. Very nice little graphic. Of course, there is a dragon there, and then there is also this dragon logo, which is also showcased on the car. So let's check out this little blue one here. Straight away you can see we've got the plaque here, High Performance Car Show in Dongguan, ModernArt. And there's no like plaque here or anything like that. It's all just printed onto the base, and you can see that there's also like these little dragons there. And we've got a very cool, unique looking plinth that the car is parked on, and there it actually says limited edition 147 of 999. And then we've got the A on the top, and then of course we've got the dragon on the front as well. And I really love the look of these Porsche 964s. So this is of course tuned by RWB Pair, and you can see it's got this colossal wing on the back. It's really prominent, and then it's even got this very cool little cross brace over there. And there on the back it says ModernArt and some more Chinese writing. And let's have a look at this very cool side. So I'll try to zoom in for you as best I can. And you can see that it's actually got this very cool looking dragon sketched onto the side, and then it also says All-In Tuning. There you go, maybe it's a bit clearer from this sort of angle. And then you can see that the interior also has a little like cage inside, and it's also got some white seats on the interior. And then we've got these very nice black rims, and we've got this cool like double exhaust as well. And it's extremely well detailed for the size of car it is. I mean, of course, these will be all 164s on this part of the channel. And then it's got some writing there, Yihao Zhantai. I probably mispronounced that. And on the bonnet, it's got something else, Long Yung Deng Tao To. So I tried to translate those, but it was very tough. Apparently it says Dragon's Luck, but please help me in the comments if you do know exactly what they say. That would be really appreciated. So jumping into the next one, which is the red one, same presentation box, and let's have a quick look at the car. We can see that this one's actually got a completely different logo in the back. It's more like a phoenix sort of icon, or maybe like some wind or fire or something like that. It does make sense because fire is kind of red anyway. And you can see that this one's also got a very unique looking graphic, and this looks like some kind of a bird, or like an eagle or falcon, or some kind of phoenix or something like that. So that's what I'm guessing. And this one's got a different writing, Feng Ming Zhao Yang. So once again, if you know what that means, feel free to write it in the comments. And let's have a closer look at the car itself. So same thing with the base, it's all printed there, and you can see the little logo that's showcased on the car as well. And once again, a unique plinth. So this one is actually different in color from the blue, so you can just see the difference over there, that they look completely different. And of course, let's check out the graphics. So the car is pretty much identical to the other one. In terms of molding, it's based on the exact same car and same model. And you can see that we've got that wing support, and we've got some little writing on the rear wing. And of course, we've got this amazing graphic with this, I'm just gonna call it Phoenix. So we've got this very nice Phoenix graphic, and of course, all in tuning on the side, and the T on top. And then there you've got the logo on the front. And it also says one change. So on the wing, when I looked it up, it said platform 1, so it could mean one change. I'm not really sure, but those are the cars, and they're very, very cool looking. So there you have it. Those are the two all-in tuning RWB Porsches event exclusives, and I really like the look of this blue one, and especially that dragon on the side with those graphics. Looks really, really awesome, and I'm a huge fan of the blue color anyway. And with the way it mixes with this black and the white, the way it separates it is very, very cool. It's very graffiti style, and I think it's really, really beautiful looking. And then of course the flip side to that coin is this amazing warm color, which is mainly red, but it also still has this very cool graffiti mixed up colors, once again separating the black and white. So I think the two together make an amazing combination. So whichever you'd like to get, I say go for either or go for each, but they're very, very cool. So these two cars of course share the same mold, but there are some other companies that have released similar looking cars with using the same mold as well, from TPC, Cool Car, as well as Fast and Speed. And there's some very cool looking RWB Porsches, and I'm going to be showcasing those in the future as well. So we've got a whole Gundam series, which consists of 3 cars over there like that, and then there are some more as well from the likes of Fast and Speed, and there's even an epic looking Lightning McQueen. So I look forward to showing you those in the future. And take it easy guys, and thank you to Steve for letting me use his blue RWB for this review. Take it easy guys, see you in the next one, ciao.